solid pyramid pattern. In this problem, you are required to generate a solid pyramid pattern using asterisk character. Given an integer n, the task is to print a pyramid with an n row. Each row of the pyramid contains a specific number of asterisks that forms a symmetric pattern centered to keep the overall shape of pyramid. The number of asterisks start at 1 in the first row and increases by 2 in each subsequent row, aligning the pyramid symmetrically. This means that the second row will have a 3 asterisk and the third will have 5, and so on. So let us see how to get the answer. Okay, so I have solved it. So the answer is only completed in with the 2 for loop. Okay, so let us see the what is the logic behind this. So logic is very simple. What we have to print space, then we will print star. Okay, so the number of spaces that we have to print depends on n minus row. Okay, so in this formula you can find number of spaces for each row. Let us take an example for first row. Okay, so value of n is 5. Consider value of n for this case is 4. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So there is a 3 space. There is 3 space. Okay, now for second n minus row is 2. So 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 you will get like 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So 2 space. Here 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 space. Yeah, so number of space is working correctly. Okay, so let us move on to the next loop. What this loop will work, this loop will print a star. Okay, so to print star we have a concept uh, like this star are going in the odd number of sequence is odd number. Okay, 1 3 5 and 7. So we have already a formula to print odd number like 2x minus 1. So 2 into row minus 1. So when you will implement this formula, like consider for this, let us take the value of row is 1 for this case. So 1 2 and 1 minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 star here. Consider for this. Okay, so for this case the value of row is 2. So 2 to the 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we have a 3 star. Similarly for this case we have a 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and this case 9. Okay, so that's why it works properly. So logic is very simple to print solid pyramid pattern. So just logic is very simple. Let me just keep this logic here. So what is the logic for this? Only this one. Okay, let me submit this.